Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. It has a clean Carfax with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, lightly tinted glass, and much more. Its sensible blend of fuel economy, features, versatility, and value make it a compelling choice for typical small sedan shoppers. This Corolla has 16-inch wide vent steel wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam headlamps with delay off, along with LED daytime running lights and a really nice black grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine with a variable transmission. This Corolla has front-wheel drive, and its estimated drivers receive an impressive 32 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corolla has only 10,318 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla, you can see the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests and the cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and fade to off interior lighting. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Siri eyes-free, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has the guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.